So it's been a while since a new video. Today's gonna be the video on the cold start. I did get rid of that Super 10 muffler. Now today we got the Carven. So I'll be showing you guys that right now. The reason why I took off the Super 10 was because ever since it was installed, it was making some weird noise. Like I'd give full gas and then for some reason it would make like some hitting metal on the inside of the muffler. So I just took it off and then I put on the Carven and I haven't heard the noise since. So I'm gonna show you guys right now that cold start. There's the cold start on the Carven muffler, and also it does have the resonator deleted, so just want to let you guys know. Got rid of the end of the tailpipe. I got a turn down pipe just so that I would get rid of the resonators. So I got my Carven, and then right after that is a turn down pipe. Makes it louder in the cab, so when you guys are on the freeway it will be annoying. So right now I'm gonna go take it for a drive, and once it warms up, and then you guys will be able to hear all the cabin, and just I'll give you guys a couple of pulls just so you see how it sounds. Okay, right here I got the stock tailpipe with the 3 resonators is right here. They're like little mesh screens. Right here I got the Super 10, which I got it cut off recently. I only had it for like 2 weeks, and when I first dropped my truck I had this. It's the Super 40 or the Super 44. Pretty sure it's the 40. And then the Super 10, wouldn't recommend it. Maybe it was just a bad I don't know, like it got damaged on the way here or something. But yeah, that's the Super 10, Super 40 or 44 stock tailpipe. And what I got on the truck right now, outside right there, that is the we got the Carven R muffler. And on the next video you guys will see how I did the Pulsar LT. So as you see, when I turn on the vehicle, the auto stop, automatically it turns off. It'll pop up right here, auto stop. Also it deactivates the DFM, which is a new technology on the V8s. I can put the speedometer a little higher, but I'd rather not, just so that you don't want to mess with the drive shaft. I do gotta go get some gas, as you can see right here, so I'm gonna be doing that today. And then other features, I could adjust the throttle response. Literally everything's through this right here. If you want, I'd recommend just staying at stock. I tried it out once. You can increase it by 15%, 30%, and I did it with the 15%, and honestly I was turning right on the street and I barely got on the gas and the tires started spinning. So I was like, nah, I think it's too much. So I put the throttle response back to stock. But right now I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys a drive on the muffler. I'll get on the freeway for you guys as well, just so you guys could probably hear the drone in the view. So here we are, we're on the streets right now. I'm gonna try to be as quiet as I can, just so you guys can hear try to hear the drone, just so you can get an idea on how it would sound. I'm barely tapping on the gas right now, and one thing, it does pop a lot. So I'm gonna try coming to a stop a couple times so you can hear the pops. I don't know if you guys could hear that. And then I'm gonna get on the gas a couple times so you can hear that as well. So here's one. guys could hear how it sounds. Then once I start coming to a stop, when I'm around like 35, 40, you hear it start crackling. I'm not sure if you guys can hear this. I do want to get on the freeway right now, but the freeway is kind of packed, so I don't want to get hit in traffic. Alright, so right now I'm at a stop. I'm gonna let you guys hear how it sounds when I'm when I'm stepping on the gas. That's when you can mostly hear a lot of drone, but also on the freeway, so you're gonna hear right now. I'm barely on the gas. But when you're on that freeway and you're trying to have a conversation, it is gonna get annoying just because of how loud it is. Here's the pops. I'm gonna try rolling down the window as well so you guys can hear it. That's how it sounds with the windows down. Hopefully it's not too windy. Here we are, about to hop on the freeway. And then if you guys are looking to buy this, just know that it will be loud, constant loud. So most likely younger people are gonna get it, not old people, because they don't like that loud shit. But here we're about to enter the freeway so you guys can hear how it sounds with the drone. There, I'm just trying to catch up the speed with the freeway. Right now is when you're gonna start hearing the drone. I'm not sure if you guys can hear that, but it is pretty loud. Also, just wait for next video. I'm gonna show you guys how I installed the Pulsar LT. Also, if I recommend it and whatnot. So far I'm liking it. It was pretty easy to install. It took me about 10-15 minutes. Literally just need a screwdriver and everything just plugs in together. It's basically plug and play. And then after, you got to come in the vehicle, and then with your cruise control settings, you got to come in, configure what you want on and off. It was pretty easy, honestly. If it was up to me, I wouldn't even have the muffler, but unfortunately where I live, it's a community, so it is a lot louder because all the houses are closer. But yeah, let me know in the comments if you do have the Carven on your 2020, if you do have the resonator delete. I think the 2020 is an amazing truck. It was either the 2020 or 2018, and at first I didn't like the body style on the 2020s, especially with the chrome. But then when I found out they had the RST and that you could get body color, like basically everything all black or all one color, I was like, I think I'll just get this one. So far I like it. I love the drop that I have on it, and now the muffler with the resonator delete makes it sound way better. But yeah, that's gonna be for today's video. Stay tuned for the next one. I know I haven't uploaded in a while. It's been hella lazy, and sometimes it's kind of weird just picking up a camera and talking around people, or just outside in general. It's just weird. But that was today's video on the Carven install with the resonator delete, and just like a little drive around how it sounds. And I'll catch you guys in the next video for the Pulsar LT.